How would you like to join me, Rozani, for a free mini course? This will be a fun-filled workshop where anything goes according to your own imagination, of course. And it'll be in several segments. I've been preparing different workshops, tutorials, and courses for the upcoming seasons. But in this particular case, I wanted to offer a free mini course. If you're interested, please register before the deadline, which is June 30th of this year, 2025. So if you're interested, be prepared to gather your supplies and participate in this very unique exploratory course where we will literally make something starting from scraps of paper that will be transformed into lumpity bumpity Papier Mâché Pals. We'll explore textures and features, but mainly exploring your own creative imagination. And I will need at least 12 registrations before making it available for free. The preliminary launch is scheduled for July 1st of 2025, continuing through the end of July on the 31st of 2025. This preliminary course will only be available for 1 month during July. Your participation will help me understand how comfortable you may feel with this project and this type of instruction. Once you're registered, we can begin, and you'll be provided with information to guide you along the way. You will need to start, of course, with the supply list so that you can prepare in advance. So here are a few important things. You'll be able to see a playlist along with my introduction. And of course, you'll be able to do this at your very own pace. So please register today if you are interested. I will have the link in the description. Meanwhile, we're going to keep it lumpy, bumpy, and raw because there are no formalities. So I hope you will join me. And if you could, please comment yes if you're interested. And of course, follow the link in the description. Bye for now.